Hey there everyone, what is up and welcome back to Imagination Tech. So right now we're here in Baguio and this is our house in Baguio. It's my mom's house. Okay, so last time we were still in Cagbalete and I posted a video. It's probably going to be posted by now, by the time I posted, so got a link somewhere up here. Maybe up here, I'm not sure where it's gonna appear. But yeah, we were in Cagbalete and from Quezon we drove straight. Well, not exactly straight. So we drove to Manila. We drove to our house and got a few more clothes because it was a Sunday and it was Carla's birthday on Tuesday, which is today. But I had to work on Monday. So what we did is we went back home. We got some stuff. Got some more clothes, and then like after an hour we left and headed straight to Baguio, which was around 4.5 hours away. And we got here around 2 in the morning, early morning on Monday. So yesterday I still had to do some work, so I had my internet here, and yeah, I really had to do some work first. But after work, after 5 o'clock, we went out. We spent the day at the Manor. It was a really great place. We had we took beautiful pictures and we had a wonderful steak dinner, so I think it was well worth it. It was really good. So anyway, today it's Tuesday. We flew all of the stuff. Taught Carla how to fly the whoop, and she was practicing here in the living room, bumping all of the things until she finally got the hang of that of the whoop, and it was she was very comfortable, and actually she was flying FPV inside the house. So that's pretty good. It was really good practice while I set up my gates here in the garden, in the lawn. It's still over there, and had my gates over there set up there, and I had a pool noodle gate over there, and I was just flying a track over here. So I'm just going to show you a clip of that. yeah, so I was able to fly the Tiny Hawk S, the Tiny Hawk Freestyle, flew the Armor 85 HD around the house. So it was really good morning because we were able to fly all of the stuff. But yeah, so now we are going to be heading out and look for lunch somewhere, and then we'll be heading down to Manila, in the afternoon. So I hope you enjoyed that little flight. By the way, I'm not sure if you can see this, that furry little thing. That is my dead cat, and unfortunately I don't have my stabilizer anymore because it's broken. This was a really good stabilizer for the price. It's just under $50, and it served me well for almost 2 years. So I have a review of that. I'm just gonna put a card somewhere up there. But yeah, it was functioning good. It wasn't. It had a crack, but I don't think it was going to break. But Carla tried to fold it, and she folded it the wrong way, and she thought it was just stuck. So she just really pulled on this and snap, it cracked, and probably have to get a new 3-axis stabilizer soon. And the fog's rolling in right now, so you can see that it's really nice fog. So yeah, anyway, so that is going to be it for this very short vlog, and I hope you enjoyed that short flight around the house. And anyway, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you click on that like button, and make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell notification too. So anyway, that has been it for today. We're just going to go out for lunch and then maybe have some more dinner when we get back to Manila. And as always, keep building and keep flying. There was a spider here last night, and fortunately it is still there. Yep. I'm vlogging. I'm vlogging here. The spider's still here. The spider's still here. I don't know what to do. Okay, that's as far as I'm willing to take that. I don't know what to do. We don't know what to do with the spider, but it's biggish. Probably not as big as the ones in Australia, I'm for sure, but still pretty big.